I finally made the copper refining cell as I promised a long time ago. It's actually not refining copper, it's refining silver. The way it works, I have this anode, which is a copper bar with silver and all kinds of metals in. I'm putting a current through it, and that makes the copper electrons migrate over to this cathode, which is the negative part, and it will settle on the plate. So this is pure copper, and everything that isn't copper will fall off the bar here and settle at the bottom. So when I've removed all of the copper from the bar and it's eating away, I can take these sludges, leftovers, and that is where I'll find silver, zinc, if brass was in the bar. The solution is left over from the silver refining video, so it can be used for this. It's a solution that is rich on copper. I'm running at like just under 3 volts and I'm pulling 0.9 amps. So it's under 3 watts. At some point in the near future, I'll be melting these parts down. It's from contactors, huge contactors or circuit breakers, where there's a lot of silver on the contact faces. So I'll be melting down some huge flat bars that I can place in this system. Then I'll be able to remove all of the copper and be left with hopefully very fine silver product, or at least as close to 90% as possible, and then work my way from there. There'll be coming an update video later when even more days has gone by, and hopefully the bar has disappeared and the plate has become even thicker. So stay tuned for that. And I've made this thingamabob so that I can put in an ordinary vacuum bag to contain the sludges, but I've not put one in right now. But this is only a test. I'm not even quite sure how much silver is in this bar actually, but I guess we'll find out in a week or so.